Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Headball 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Headball 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with the basic tutorials if you're playing for the first time. After completing the tutorial levels, you will gain access to your homepage, from which, if you wish to change the language, then tap on the drop-down menu at the top right corner. You will then see the gear icon. Tap on this button, and now you will see language. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can use from the various different languages that are available for the game. Tap on your preferred language, and now this will reload the game in your chosen language right away. You can come back to this menu at any time and tap on the globe icon and change your language as many times as you wish within the game, and your language will be applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Headball 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.